Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the steps to report a lost credit card to Chase and block it instantly. If you've misplaced your card or believe it may be stolen, it is crucial to act quickly to protect your finances. Let's get started. Step 1. Stay calm. First and foremost, take a deep breath and remain calm. Lost credit cards happen, and Chase is here to help you recover from this situation. Step 2. Gather information. Before you report your lost card, gather any necessary information. Have your Chase account number and any personal identification ready. This will make the process smoother. Step 3. Call Chase customer service. Dial the Chase customer service number on the back of your card or visit their official website for assistance. You can reach them at 1-800-432-3117. If you're outside the United States, be sure to check their website for the appropriate international contact number. Step 4. Follow the automated prompts. Once connected, follow the automated prompts. You will likely be asked to confirm your identity and provide details about your lost credit card. Step 5. Report the card as lost. When you reach a representative, explain that your card is lost. They will take the necessary steps to block your card immediately to prevent any unauthorized transactions. Step 6. Request a replacement card. After blocking the card, request a replacement card. The representative will assist you with this process and provide you with a time frame on when to expect your new card. Step 7. Monitor your account. Once your card has been reported lost, keep an eye on your account statements for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice any suspicious activity, report it to Chase right away. Step 8. Update your payment information. If you've had recurring payments linked to your old card, remember to update your payment information with those merchants. Make sure to follow these steps carefully to secure your account and protect your finances. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.